Welcome students for the class of Final Cut Pro tutorial. So today we'll learn how to add motion to your clips with the help of keyframing technique and Ken Burns effect. So let's try this out uh, in our software. Let's open our software. So I'll show you first keyframing. Yeah. So keyframing would be best used on this clip. Yeah, let's try to extend this clip a little more. Yeah, and let's I want to zoom into this shot slowly, so let's try to do this. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this clip and go to the first frame of this clip. Yeah, and I'm already there. I'm going to go to my effects and go to my scale. Yeah, so I'm going to go here and I'm going to add a keyframe. Okay, so once I add a keyframe, I'm going to take this pointer at the end of the clip, yeah, and to the last frame, and I'm going to make some changes to the position, to the scale, sorry. Yeah, I'm going to make it this close, and you can see automatically the keywords are added. Yeah, because we made changes here. Now let's go back and see how our clip is going to look like. I'm just going to press space, and you see it has added a nice good effect to the video. Yeah, so these are few techniques to use motion to your clip. You can also rotate this. Yeah, let me undo this effect. Let's give it a try on rotation. Now I've selected this clip. I'm on the first frame. I'm going to click on add keyframe. Then I'm going to go to my last frame. I'm going to make some changes here. I'm just going to move. So for complete tutorial, please visit my Udemy page and you'll find my course there. You can also check the description and there's a link to my Udemy course. So please click on the link and check the course for yourself. Thank you guys.